Bounce up high like a bouncy balloon. Float in the air to a happy tune.
Loobin mo ng mga batang bibinyagan ay maging malaya sa pagkaalipin na bunga ng pagsuway ng nilikhang unang tao.
Let's all boogie, float like a balloon, feeling groovy. Hop and sway, twist and twirl. The bouncy balloon boogie is for every boy and girl. Dance on your toes and spin around. Make a big wave and touch the ground. Jump like a balloon, light and free. Let's all groove, just you and
Ama naming lumikha, halina po kayo at basbasan ang tubig na nakalaan para sa pagbibinyag ng mga hinirang para sa muling pagsilang at pananampalataya ng simbahang naghahatid sa buhay sa kalangitan sa pamamagitan ni Kristo kasama ng Espiritu Santo nagpasawalan hanggang
dance on your toes and spin around. Make a big wave and touch the ground. Jump like a balloon, light and free. Let's all groove.
Si Austin, mabait na bata pero pilyo. Parang mana sa papa niya, konti lang yung pasensya. pagka gusto niya yung isang laruan, hindi niya hahayaan na hindi niya makuha.
Bounce, bounce, bounce. Let's all boogie, float like a balloon.
Kaya naman, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Please welcome our birthday boy, Austin John Carangas! Hey, 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 hey!
Bounce and float, it's time to
Happy birthday, Austin!
wave goodbye with a happy grin. We'll dance together, let the fun begin.
Favorite banding namin ni Austin kapag madaling araw na nagigising siya kasi doon ko lang siya talagang naaalagaan. Yan. So doon ko nafe-feel na talagang mami ako kasi pag madaling araw, ako yung gising, tsaka siya yung gising para kay Austin. Yan. So we're working kasi, so yung time namin hatid talaga.
An illusion, let the games begin. Step into the ring as I juggle all my feelings for you. Don't miss off the action, 'cause the main attraction. It's like we're on a tightrope. It's like we're on a tiptoe section in the air. We're balancing.
Happy birthday, Austin!
Wish ko lang kay Austin na punuan siya ng biyaya, pagmamahal, punong-puno ng blessings para sa kanya at sa buong pamilya.
Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, lumaki kang mabuting bata, may takot sa Diyos at sumunod kay mami at daddy. Yun lang.
Meet you sooner, babe. We make the perfect team. A little bit of danger ain't nothing we can handle. Gotta take some risks. Join your circus. Know the show can't start until we take a step.
Austin, birthday wish ni Mama sa'yo. Sana i-bless ka ni Lord. Mas maging mabuti kang bata. Then maging healthy ka lang palagi.
At nasabi na ni Mami, so anak, lagi tayong magbugbugan. Hindi, joke lang, banding yung sinasabi ko. I love you, anak.
Love you,
Mahal ka namin.
Austin! Love you!
Together, slowly stepping towards each other. Oh, so unaware that we're on a tightrope.
Para pag namasko, iiksaan ko lang kasi halos lahat, sabi na nila. So, maging masunurin na lang, tsaka maging makadiyos si Austin. That's all.
Maging masunurin ka sa magulang mo, sa mama mo at papa mo at sa mga lola mo. At naway lumaki kang healthy at mabait. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Austin!
Halos lahat, pera lang yung kulay.
Lahat
Pati
sa
ugali
kanya.
nakuha.
Lahat sa
Sobrang
kanya.
ikli ng pasensya niya.
Together, all in out and falling in. I'm not afraid when I'm with you.
Happy birthday, baby Austin. May the gods grant you the gift of knowledge, wisdom, and also good health and of course, good character. Happy birthday, baby!